we're going to be taking the Racefit Titanium Black Edition exhaust and attempting to turn it into a growler exhaust with a baffle, diffuser baffle insert. Slides nicely into place and is locked in place by the stop nut there. We're going to attempt to reduce the decibel level of this exhaust on a Decatted 2023 Indian FTR 1200 Carbon R. I ordered these parts from Racefit. They're all titanium, TIG welded. Quality is per you'd expect from Racefit. And the process requires us to drill out the existing rivets in the Black Edition cap that's mounted on the bike, and then drill holes into the growler end cap and rivet that on the can. We have some exhaust packing that I'll wrap here. I think I may drill some more holes in the diffuser here depending on the sound level. We'll take some measurements without any holes placed in the tube here. The real goal is just to tame what is an extremely loud, fully open exhaust without a catalytic converter on this bike, and just bring it down into something that's a little bit more reasonable for my neighbors. And that's the goal for today. I'm going to begin by taking the bike outside and using an app to measure the decibel level of the Black Edition titanium exhaust. Let's get after it. So this is the exhaust canister that we're going to modify here. You see, this is a custom Decatted 2-in-1 to the Racefit Black Edition. Beautiful can, and wide open. You can see down in there. I'm going to be working a little bit on taking some of the bark out of it. We just measured the decibels. I think it was 127 maximum, peak rather. And this is on again, brand new 2023 FTR 1200 Carbon R. I'm going to be taking some of the bark off of this exhaust and then giving it a tune to help it run a little bit better with this exhaust modification. So after a little bit of persuading, not much really, just some tapping in through the drilled out rivet holes, the Black Edition end cap comes off, just to reveal a little bit of packing in here. And now we're going to locate the holes for the Growler end cap, and get that installed. Purchased 2 sets of rivets for future repacking needs from Racefit. They arrived, and you're allowed to select one color. You get a single colored rivet that adds, I'm told, an additional undisclosed number of horsepower, and even more so, foot-pounds of torque. So I'll need to move the camera to get these inner ones started first. I'll go around, we'll come back and take a look at the magic rivet. That's the final. Yeah, I could feel the bike getting faster when that last rivet snapped. Well, there she is. This is fairly straightforward for anybody who's got any inclination to use a drill, a hammer, and a couple of punches. The Black Edition cap comes out, so then the Growler goes in really nice. I actually prefer the aesthetic. Take a step back, and what's more, we're able to knock some of the sound down. Hopefully we'll go outside and measure it. that did not quiet it down at all. 126.7 was our peak. I'll reset it, and we will place the diffuser in.